Right, hello everyone, welcome to Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and welcome to the channel. So right, let's get straight into it. So on this week's weekly watch list, I've got my eyes on four pairs. This week I've got my eyes on Euro JPY, GBPAUD, NZDUSD and USDCAD. So right, we're going to start off with Euro JPY. Looking on the weekly time frame, we can see Euro JPY is still very bullish. But ending to last week's trading session, we can see this nice wick right here where we saw a lot of the bears came in and gained control of the market at the end of last week's trading session. So we're going to go into the daily time frame. So what I'm looking for right now on Euro JPY is for it to start picking up some bullish momentum. So I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame. Looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, I can see price coming down to this level, price level right here, finding some support. If it don't find any support there, then I'm looking for it to come down and test this level right here, which is my previous major resistance level, which now should be holding as my major support level. So I'm just going to mark it up for you quickly. So I'm expecting price to come touch this level right here at 128.344, find some support and then continue its uptrend. If not, then I'm just expecting price to shoot all the way down to our previous resistance level, and I'm just going to wait and watch price, how the market reacts around it, see if it holds as a new support level. So Euro JPY right now, I'm just looking out for the market to reverse and continue its uptrend. So let's move on to GBPAUD. Going on to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we have closed above our major resistance level. A lot of people I saw were expecting the market to short, was trying to short GBPAUD last week because of this shooting star we had on a weekly time frame. But as you can see, market pushed down, failed to go any lower, break, and came right back up and started continue its upwards trend. So going on to the daily time frame, as you can see, I've put this daily trend line right here. So we're just going to keep an eye on GBPAUD, how it reacts over this daily trend line. So right now I'm expecting a pullback of GBPAUD. Going on to the 4-hour time frame. At the moment, I can't see a suitable level where I can see it pulling back to. But also, please note that we have also broken our major resistance level. So price might not even pull back. It might have a little pullback to previous resistance level, and we will see if it holds as support. And then I should expect price to continue its upwards momentum. So that's on GBPAUD. Remember, join the Telegram group. If I'm going to get in this trade, I'll keep you up to date. So let's move on to NZDUSD. Right, this pair is quite interesting actually. As you can see, we've been trending in the upwards trend from last year, May, with NZDUSD. But now, are we starting to see the end of this trend? Hopefully this week's trading session we will see evidence if this is the end of the NZDUSD bullish trend. Last weekly candlestick has closed as a shooting star. So this is another form of evidence that the bears are looking to take control. So a lot of the sellers are starting to gain control of this market. As you saw with the USD, the American dollar gained a lot of strength on Friday's session as well. So we're going to go into the daily time frame. Right, for this price to confirm that the bullish trend is over, I'm looking for price to break beyond this level right here. So that's what I'm looking for, is price to break beyond this level right here. If I get a daily candlestick closing beyond this level, then we can start to say that this trend is now over and we're going to start looking to short on NZDUSD. So with NZDUSD, I'm just waiting to see if price can close beyond this level. If price can't be closed beyond this level, then I'm looking for it to touch support level right here and then continue its upwards trend. So that's it for NZDUSD. Next, we're going to move on to USDCAD. Similar to NZDUSD. Looking at it on a weekly time frame, last week's candlestick closed as a hammer, but it did not break beyond this weekly downwards daily trend line. So with USDCAD, I'm just going to monitor it. Haven't decided which way this look like this trade is heading to, so I'm just going to monitor it, see how it reacts around my declining trend line, daily trend line. If it breaks it, then I'm going to be looking to place some buys. So with USDCAD, I'm just going to monitor it and see if we can get a break beyond this trend line, probably a retouch, and then it continues its trend and pushes back up to this price level right up here, which is 1.2935, which is my major resistance level. So that's what I'm expecting in USDCAD. So that brings it end to this week's weekly's watch list. As I said, I've got my eyes on 4 pairs. Also on the Twitter, I'm going to update you on what other currency pairs I might be looking to get into. But yeah, hope you all have a good trading week. And remember, trade smart, not with your emotions. And I'll see you next time.